What it be, what it is, YouTube. All right, tonight we're using live bait to catch the big old flatties and the blues. So let's get the lines out, see what we got going on. All right, first piece of bait, big gillhead. Let's get this big gillhead out there. Got our tail section here. I'm gonna throw that off to the right. Oh, just walked in the water. I like to hook them right behind the dorsal fin right here. Make sure you ain't got no scales on there. That will mess up a hook set real quick. All right, let's get it out there. He'll probably be the first one hit. Oh, it's still there. Fish off, fish off. What we got? Woo! It's a blue. Woo! He's a splasher. Woo! Hold on, man. Get on my mat. We got our first one for the night. Probably about, I don't know, 8-9 pound blue. Woo! And that was on the live bait. So, I'm gonna get him released as fast as I can. Again, there he is. Oh, we got a little blood on his jaw. And there he goes. Feels like a flathead. Baby flathead. Flathead on deck. Flathead on deck. Look at that mouth. All right. Let's get this guy released. Woo! Man, always soak my feet. Took about a 3/4 mile walk with, I was loaded up. Oh, second rod. Fish on. We got a flathead on, I believe. Yep, we got a bigger flathead, guys. $10.35. 10.35, so about a 10-pound flathead. One last view, and there he is. Wow, flathead on deck. Let's get him released. He's gonna soak me in a second. Wow, oh, there he goes. Woo! Oh, rod 3, a rod, yes. Got him. Fish on, it feels bigger. He just started swimming towards me. Oh, yeah, he was swimming towards me. This little punk just ate my live bait. Wanna stop reading now? We got a small blue cat here. Just a little guy. Let's get him released. Little baby blue cat. And he's gone. Bigger hit on line 1. The bite's turning on. It's another little guy. The little blues are moving through. what's up, bro? See you later. On to the next one. Oh, line one just moving. Oh, he's on. Line 2 and 3, all the lines are going off. All the lines are going off. Did y'all see that? All 3 lines were just going off. Wow. All 3 lines were going off. The other 2 stopped. Actually, one of them swam right into my other line, actually. Uh-oh. Got another flathead. This one's got some salad with him. What y'all's guess is on the weight on this one? 8.5, you say? Let's figure out what I did with the scale. Here it is. I gotta see if there's still a fish on that second line because it's real slack right now. £11 even. Woo! 11 pounds even. So we went up 1 pound for the flathead. Flathead on deck. Oh yeah. We're gonna crop that for a photo. All right, let's go. 11-pound flathead. Let's get you released, buddy. Hey, you're not supposed to come back this way, bro. Yeah, that way, man. Oh! Dang, that's what I got for standing so close. Another small blue cat that won't let me go to the bathroom. Let's get him released. Oh, rod 1. Y'all saw that? Rod 1. Think it's another flathead. Yep. Got another flat. Got another flathead here. You think this is my 5-pounder for dinner? I was looking for one 5-pounder. Let's see what he weighs. Oh, calm down, bro. See what we got going on. Woo! That's our 5-pounder. 5.25. So he is exactly 5 pounds. That's our 5-pounder. He's going home with me. To me, there's only 3 catfish. Blue, flat, channel cat. Yeah, bowhead's bait fish. All right, let me get my last piece of live bait out. All right, let me get my last piece of live bait out of this bucket. Oh, line 1 just moving. Oh, he's on. Line 2 and 3, all the lines are going off. All the lines are going off. Did y'all see that? All 3 lines were just going off. Wow. All 3 lines were going off. The other 2 stopped. Actually, one of them swam right into my other line, actually. Still haven't seen it yet. Don't know what it is. I think it's a blue cat. Yep, blue cat. What's your guesses on this one, guys? We got an 18.7. Anybody else got a guess? What do you think we got? Let's see. Found it. Finally found it. The bag weighs 0.25. $16.95, so $16.75. So that's the biggest one for the night. 16.75 blue cat. Let's get him released. He wasn't playing. He said, "I'm out." For the flathead to get eaten up on video. Oh, chicken liver. Fish on. Fish on. Y'all wanted that trifecta. There goes your channel cat. Told you, as soon as I put that liver on there, bam, channel cat's on deck. So we got our first channel cat of the evening. Man, he is chewing on my fingers. Can you stop biting me, dog? You see him going ham? He's just biting the hell out of me. Look at him. He just said, give me that thumb. Okay, I'm starting to feel it. I'm done. Woo! And he's gone. What it do, what it be, what it is, YouTube. All right, I'm done for today. I got 5 flatheads, or 6 flatheads. Can't remember. 5 blues, and 1 channel cat. Not a bad night. Had a great day. Get it right, get it tight. Holla!